Hello friends and welcome back. Tonight we're making pesto and this is how I do it. I got 2 cups of basil, I'm gonna dump it in there. I got some pine nuts, I'm gonna dump it in there. Oop, just like that. I roasted some garlic earlier, so I've got 3 cloves of garlic that's going in there. I've got some Parmesan cheese and I'm gonna need about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. So let's see, olive oil. I'm not really good at free pouring. Put that in there. And there's a teaspoon of salt. I'm sorry, 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. And the juice of some lemon. Yummy. All right, let's get the lid on here. Where is my top? Give that a try. You know, I never have my spoon ready for the taste test. Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil though. That's really good. Give it a shot. Look at that. Look at that. Delicious. Oh, we're done. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna go cook some rotini right now. There you go. Tonight's dinner. Pesto pasta. Pesto rotini. Hey everybody, thank you for joining me on this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button. Please hit subscribe because it really helps the channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.